Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 7. I am in the water. I am in the water.
I'm standing in the water.
I'm standing in the water. Stand, standing. Stand, standing. The man is standing. The man is standing. Is the man standing? Yes, he is. He is standing. Yes, he is. He is standing. The boy is standing. The boy is standing. He is not sitting. He is not sitting. The woman and the boy are sitting. The woman and the boy are sitting. They are not standing. They are not standing. Are they sitting or standing? Are they sitting or standing? They are sitting. They are sitting. Who is standing? Who is standing? The boy is standing. The boy is standing. Sit, sitting. Sit, sitting. Who is sitting? Who is sitting? The girl is sitting. The girl is sitting. Who is sitting and reading? Who is sitting and reading? The boy is sitting and reading. The boy is sitting and reading. Do you see Max? Do you see Max? Do you see a horse? Do you see a horse? I see the horse. It is running in the water. I see the horse. It is running in the water. Run, running. Run, running. The children are running. The children are running. What are they doing? They are running. What are they doing? They are running. Are they running? Are they running? No, they are standing. No, they are standing. Who is running? The children are running. Who is running? The children are running. The boys and girls are running. The boys and girls are running. Are they running? Yes, they are. They are running. Read, reading. Read, reading. The girl is reading. The girl is reading. What is she reading? What is she reading? She is reading a book. She is reading a book. The boy is standing in the water. The boy is standing in the water. He is not standing in the water. He is not standing in the water. Max is standing in the water. The boy is standing and the girl is sitting. The woman is drinking and reading. The woman is drinking and reading. The women are reading books. The women are reading books. The man is standing and reading. The man is standing and reading. The men are reading. The men are reading. He is sitting. He is sitting. And he is standing. And he is standing. She is sitting and reading a book. She is sitting and reading a book. Jump, jumping. Jump, jumping. The woman is jumping. The children are standing. The woman and the boy are jumping. Walk, walking. Walk, walking. The cat is walking. The cat is walking. It is walking. It is walking. Is the boy walking in the water or in the snow? Is the boy walking in the water or in the snow? Snow. I see a man and snow. He is walking in the snow. He is walking in the snow. The boy is walking in the snow. The boy is walking in the snow. Look, Max is walking in the snow.
Max is walking in the snow.
What is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? He is walking. Bear, bear. A bear, one bear. A bear, one bear. One. Bears, bears. Two bears, two. Two bears, two. Three bears, three bears. Three teddy bears, three teddy bears. Three. The bear is sleeping. The bear is sleeping. The bear is walking on the snow. What is this bear doing? What is this bear doing? This bear is sitting. This bear is sitting. This bear is standing. This bear is standing. It is not sitting. It is not sitting. Find a bear. Do you see a bear? Bear, bear. How many cats do you see? How many cats do you see? I see 4 cats. 4. I see 4 cats. 4. 4. 4 cats. How many cats? How many cats? 4 cats. 4 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am a bear. I am a bear. What do you see? What do you see? I see a girl and a bear. I see a girl and a bear. I see water, a boy, and a bear. I see water, a boy, and a bear. A dog and a bear. A dog Dog. Dog. Children and a dog. Children and a dog. Dogs. Dogs. A man, a woman, a dog. A man, a woman, a dog. The bears are reading. The cat is sleeping. The bears are reading. The cat is sleeping. A baby and a bear. A baby and a bear. Let's play. Let's play. Max, find a horse and a cat.
A horse and a cat.
Okay. Now, can you find a horse and a dog?
A horse and a dog.
Okay. Can you find two cats?
Two cats.
Two cats. Okay. Well Panda or tiger?
Panda.
Panda bear.
I have two horses.
You have two horses. Okay. You ran out of cards? Dog or horse? Do you have anything?
I have only a cat and
A pig. Okay, I have a horse. Hey, a cat. Max, you can put your cat right there.
Yay.
Hey, we finished the game. And we're not stuck. Hooray! Let me take a picture. What's next? Homework. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 7. Well done! Hi, my name is Anna Mitkevich. I am a professional English teacher with more than 20 years of experience. I also write children's books. And run a YouTube channel called Little Angel Reader. I am a wife and mother of two talented children, Angelina and Max. They are both fluent in English. We live in Russia. Like and subscribe, please. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.